Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes, I was just telling you regarding your book. I have already purchased it, but I didn't get enough time yet to go through all of the its chapters. A very good book.
So let me suggest what I suggest to many other readers, which is the center section, which is
Mhm.
printed on gray. The center section is 300 rules of thumb and nuggets of wisdom, and that's a good place to start.
Okay, I will make sure to start with this. Thanks for the advice.
Yeah, wisdom we collected from a lot of other engineering managers around the world, and it's really good stuff. It's part of the reason my co-author and I wrote the book was to be able to capture those and have a place for where we could go look at them.
Mhm. Very nice to know. Thanks again for the advice. I will make sure to start with that part first. Okay, I'd like to start our meeting with a question that I haven't written in the document that I sent you. It just came to
Okay.
my mind today, which is why would a software project fail? What are the main reasons for this?
So uh, there's so first of all, let me go to a question you did ask,
Hmm.
and I want to frame this ahead of time, and I made a couple of notes here. Um,
Sure.
there's no such thing as an accurate, correct plan that always works out. That always works out, and I say that because anyone who tells you there is such a thing in software is a charlatan. Every company in the world um, wants exactly that, and most I'm guessing well over half of them, all companies all rely on software now, and I'm guessing well over half of them will complain about their ability to have stable plans that actually work out the way that you described you want yours to be, and the ones that aren't complaining about it will. So it's there's just no template. If there was a template, you could go buy the book for that template. So having said that, there are categories of problems that come up, and what I find as the categories are culture, communications, requirements, um, planning, process, and rigor are the categories of reasons that software doesn't work out. Those are really broad categories, and I say that I give you those categories, and with the caveat that every single company and every single software project's failures within those categories is unique, and it's unique because you're unique, because your software developers are unique, because the products you're making are unique, because the culture you're working within is unique. But they do tend to fall into those categories.